chickpea egg rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most nutritious of the scrambled egg recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the fried rice recipes. It can also be called chickpea scrambled egg rice or scrambled egg chickpea rice. Today we are going to make chickpea egg rice. The ingredients are 100 grams of chickpeas soaked overnight in water and 2 eggs. Take around 400 ml of water in a pan and put in the chickpea into the water. Put in salt to taste. Put in two spoons of garam masala or mixture of spices. Mix the mixture of spices and salt with the chickpea in the water and cook for 120 minutes or 30 to 35 minutes if in a pressure cooker. The next ingredients are 25 grams of garlic, 25 grams of ginger, 2 tomatoes, around 15 shallots cut into pieces and 2 green chillies and 2 eggs. 1 cup of rice. We have taken long grain rice. Take 2.5 cups of water in a pan and bring it to a boil. Keep the water to boil. Now put in a pinch of salt. And let the water boil further. Pour in 5 ml of oil. And let the water boil. Now put in the soaked and washed rice into the water. Now let the rice cook for 15 minutes. The rice is ready and rice can be taken off the flame and used to make the dish further. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Spread the oil on the pan. in the shallots. Put in the garlic and the ginger. Salt. The shallots, garlic and ginger thoroughly. green chilies, salt, put in the tomato pieces, put in 1 spoon of garam masala or mixture spices, Pour in the chickpea that we cooked earlier. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Now break in 2 eggs into the mixture. Now let it fry for 1 to 2 minutes. Now scramble the eggs and mix with the rest of the mixture. Now let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Now after 5 minutes, put in the rice little by little and mix. Mix thoroughly. Mix thoroughly in low flame. Now the chickpea egg rice is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final chickpea egg rice, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the egg recipes and one of the most nutritious of the fried rice recipes and one of the most healthiest of the rice recipes and one of the easiest to make of the cooking ideas. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.